Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin Bulletin. I'm your host today. Bitcoin's explosive start to May has left many wondering if we're on the cusp of another all-time high. The crypto fear and greed index is at 55, signaling a risk-on sentiment that couldn't be stronger. And with US stocks making big gains too, it's starting to feel like a perfect storm for Bitcoin. But what's driving this optimism? Well, one major reason is the fact that Bitcoin narrowly avoided forming a death cross pattern last month, a bearish signal that typically indicates things are about to turn sour. And we know from history that when a near-death cross occurs, it can precede an 83% rally in BTC. The spread between the 50-day and 200-day moving averages narrowed significantly in April, but ultimately didn't cross. This bears some resemblance to what happened back in September 2023. Could this similar setup signal another bullish surge? We'll have to wait and see, but it's definitely a promising sign. Bitcoin has several other technical catalysts that could push it above $100,000. The double bottom pattern at $76,560 is now complete. It's moved above the neckline of its flag pattern, and all these patterns are generally indicating more gains for Bitcoin in May. Institutional investors are also getting in on the action. Spot Bitcoin ETFs saw net inflows of $2.9 billion last month alone, bringing cumulative inflows to over $39 billion. More companies like Trump Media and GameStop are following suit with their own plans to buy up more Bitcoin. As Bitcoin continues to attract these institutional investors, it's gradually evolving into a safe haven asset. This is especially true when compared to stocks and other risk assets. They're struggling right now. The recent economic data has raised concerns about a possible recession, which could finally push the likes of Bitcoin higher. A big boost for Bitcoin could come from Donald Trump himself, who might begin negotiating trade deals with countries like China. And on the Fed side, we may see them pivot their stance and cut interest rates in May. This would not only eliminate top market risks, but also push risky assets like Bitcoin up. That's it for today, folks. I'm your host, and this is Bitcoin Bulletin.